My name is Roger Thomas. I live in Ponciana for almost 13 years. My journey began in 2017 when I was diagnosed with MS. Everyone knows what MS is multiple sclerosis. How did I realize that something was wrong with me is because I noticed that my right hand was shaking a whole lot. And every time I try to hold a pen to write with it, it seems so difficult to write with a pen. So I couldn't take this anymore, so I decided to go to my doctor. So I went to my primary doctor and I told him what was happening. So he told me, I'm going to send you to get more treatment. So he decided to send me to a neurologist, which deal with MS and stroke and those other things. So I went to the neurologist and he checked me out and everything like that. And then he recommended me to take this pill. I don't remember exactly the name of the pill. But after I take the pill, it sent me straight into the emergency room. I think something is wrong with this. So I decided to go back to my primary again, and he told me, I'm going to send you to a specialist which deal with your case. So he sent me to a multiple sclerosis specialist. So I went to the specialist, and when they did an MRI on me, they said to me that you have MS from the results of the MRI. So I decided to pray about it and ask God to intervene on my behalf. So they also mentioned to me that MS is not a disease that is curable. In fact, there is no cure for MS. They said to me they can slow it down by giving me this pill. But the problem with the pill is that they will have to monitor me for 8 hours straight. So I decided to call a friend of mine. Her name is Lou. And she mentioned to me about this M.E.E.T ministry sanitarium. She said to me, it will do you good. So I decided to go and check out this M.E.E.T ministry sanitarium. I decided to go to my church and I told him that I'm going to go to this M.E.E.T ministry. I do not know what it's all about, but I'm going to go and check it out and see what they can do to help my MS. I didn't mention anything about helping me in terms of finance, but I just want to thank those who have been praying for me, those who have been lifting me up in prayer. I just want to thank you so much for all that you have done. When I came to M.E.E.T ministry, as I walked into this home, I realized God's presence is here. I look around and there's so many promises that I can claim. I have gone through the treatment, and you know, as they said that you must have a clean blood. And I am so thankful to God that the treatment I have received, I am feeling much more better. I have learned so many things at M.E.E.T ministry. I've met so many wonderful people. I just want to praise God for all that He has been doing in this ministry. And I read a book the other day, and I would like to encourage those who are listening at this time, that whatever you place in your mind, that's what the body responds to. So if you tell your body you are sick, if you tell your mind you're sick, the body remains sick. So if you tell your body If you tell your mind you are well, your body will become well. So my friends, as you listen to me, I want to recommend this ministry to you. M.E.E.T ministry. It was a life-changing journey, and I believe it can be a life-changing journey for you. So my prayer is that look into this ministry. It will make a difference in your life. It makes a difference for me, and I'm sure by God's grace, it can make a difference for you. Thank you for listening.